Hello and welcome to the brand new episode of Guy's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna cook a delicious creamy garlic chicken which is low carb and keto friendly. So stay tuned and watch how I cook it. Let's start by marinating this chicken with some salt, and I'm using Himalayan pink salt. And then we add some cumin powder, and some chilli powder. And now let me mix everything up using my hand. Make sure you wash your hand cleanly before doing this. You want to let your chicken to sit for at least 15 minutes before you fry it. And now I heat up my pan and add 1 tablespoon of ghee, or you can also use your unsalted butter. You want to make sure your ghee is hot before you put in your chicken inside. And let the chicken fry for at least 3 to 5 minutes before turning it over. After frying all this chicken, we are ready to make this creamy garlic sauce. First, I add about 60 grams of finely chopped red onion. Keep on stirring it until it turns golden brown. And now I add my finely chopped garlic into the mix. Keep on stirring it until it is caramelized. Add some heavy whipping cream into the mix. And don't forget the cream cheese to make it creamier. Now we pour all the chicken juice that came out of the fried chicken. I add a handful of shredded cheese into the mix to make the sauce thick and creamy. Mix it well until the cheese dissolves. And now it's time to add that crispy chicken into that creamy sauce. Let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now it's time to transfer that creamy garlic chicken into the plate. And we pour the remaining sauce on top of the chicken. And now my creamy garlic chicken is ready to be served. I hope you guys try this at home, and if you enjoy it, let me know in the comment section below. If you guys love low carb and keto recipe, please consider to subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you and have a pleasant day.